Imagine walking into a dark room to hear a sound like this. As your brain struggles to understand where it's coming from, your brain desperately wishes it had more data from another sense organ like your eye so it can calm your racing mind. Similarly, in our day to day life, we collect maximum data from all our sense organs and analyze it together to make a more effective and informed decision. Transferring the same analogy to an autonomous system, having multiple sensors allows the system to collect maximum data about its surroundings and helps in making accurate and reliable decisions. My thesis is based on developing efficient algorithm that can process and fuse data from sensors like lidar and camera into meaningful information so that the sensors can complement each other's strength and weakness, and autonomous systems like self-driving cars can detect objects accurately and make informed decisions.